Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. OMG, I was able to find some Valentine crafty goodies at Walmart. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, first thing I want to share with you are these Valentine stickers. You do get 20 in a box. And when I saw this, I was like, OMG, look at that. OMG. So let's go ahead and look at one of these real quick. Let's see how they look. But these were, I believe, $1. Let's look at these real quick. Now you do get 20 only. Look at that. You can even alter this box. Look at that. How good would that be to make it into... This one you don't need too much, but look at that. So you could alter it. That's actually a plus. Let's go ahead and look at the stickers. Like I said, you do get 20 and it's $1, so it's not that bad of a deal. I was able to get 3 of them. But look at that. You get the cherry. You get the dice. How cute are those? You get 2 hearts. A queen. You get I like you. Lucky me. Be my Valentine. Self-love. You got the one with the eyes. You won my heart. It's actually real pretty. Love is in the air. Kiss, kiss. And you get some big lips. Another heart eyes. Love you more. A dice. One and only. Hot stuff. Be mine and I love you. So this is actually a really good buy, and it's only $1. So I was able to get 3 of those, and then I did haul these ones also. It's another 20 that you get in here. Look at that. You get all of those. So this was also $1. So it's the same thing as that. Check these out. I also got some stickers. And I think these were like $1.27, 25, give or take. But look at these. Look how pretty those are. Those are actually really nice. And it's one sheet. So I got that one. And this glitter. These are actually really nice. Might have to get some more. You know me, gotta have enough in my stash. And these ones here are like foil hearts. And it's like $1 something, like between $1.24 to 27, I think, give or take. But they also have some more, but those are the 2 I wanted. Another thing I hauled is this garland here. I got some ideas to use with this, so I got that one. Okay, and this one's actually 8 foot. So you get 8 foot, and this wasn't that much either. This was $1 something. Now I did get these foam sticker hearts, and this was $1. So you get, does it say? Yeah, you get 20 pieces. So I have that one. And I did get 2 of those, and look how thick that is. Look at the thickness. There's some thick hearts. And then another thing I hauled are these bubble hearts. And the reason I hauled these, and these were actually like $3.24. I hauled these because they have the blue, green, and red. So I actually might get some more of these. But those are real nice. And then I also hauled the sticker book, which you get 200 stickers for sheets. Let's go ahead and look at this one. Okay, so this one you get 200 stickers. Them in the back. Let's look at these. And I think this was like I want to say like $1.24, one of the 2. But look at that. Oh, how cute are these? Wow, I might have to get more. I love, love, love stickers. I've loved stickers since I was a kid. You get the pizza, you even get the Game Boy. Oh, look at that. Like the groovy version. Yeah, this was actually real nice, like that. I might get more. They had another style, but I forgot what it was. And then another thing I have here are these presents. These are gift box containers. They didn't have the hearts, so, or the XO, so I'm in a hunt for those. So I got these, and actually I got a few of those. And these are actually real nice. I like these. Yeah, the presents, real nice. So you get four of them. Yeah, so you get 4 different colors in there. So that is my little Walmart haul, and this stuff is in like in a party section, like for the school kids and stuff. But yeah, I'm in a hunt for the XO and the heart ones. So hopefully I can find these, and these were just $1. So that's even awesome. But yeah, leave a comment below. Let me know what you're able to find at your local Walmart. And let me know also what is your favorite. And make sure you subscribe. Hit the notifications so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.